Welcome back to the channel, guys. We just finished up this 2018 Corvette Z06. We did our full frontal paint protection film. We topped it with our CERMAIC Pro Silver package, and we're going to show you guys around what we did. So with the full frontal, the front bumper got covered with XPEL Ultimate Plus. We also do the hood on this. We took this grill out so we can tuck edges into it to give it a seamless look. The headlights, the fenders, the mirrors, and then also the lower part of the front bumper got covered as well. This is going to ensure that this guy can drive his vehicle and he's not going to have to worry about rock chips. With that, we also wanted to consider the maintenance side of things as well. So when it comes to that, we really try to talk about the CERMAIC Pro application process and how much that really does benefit maintaining the vehicle. And so we wanted to do that with this vehicle. He was on board with it. He wanted to make sure this vehicle was protected, that it was easy to maintain, and we were able to do just that. So we're going to show you guys around. Two areas that we focused on this vehicle with the ceramic coating is the convertible top, retreated with CERMAIC Pro Textile. This is going to help keep it protected and nourished and give it that dark black look that you're going for. We want to protect it from getting oxidized and fading, and the ceramic coating is going to protect against that. Another area that we're looking at is the rims on the vehicle. So with it, obviously the rims are very low to the ground, so they're gonna pick up a lot of dirt and debris. Especially with the chrome rim like this, we wanna make sure that it stays protected. And we also wanna make sure that the surface is as slick as possible. That's gonna help reduce the brake dust and anything that's gonna try to build up on these spokes. And ultimately, when it comes to clean it, or if we maintain it ourselves, it's going to be extremely easy to maintain. So those are areas that take a beating, and the ceramic coating is going to help prevent that. Thank you guys again for watching. We hope that you are enjoying these videos. Please keep in mind that we do have many services that we're going to be showing you guys. Also, if you're looking for products to maintain your vehicle, everything is on our website. You can purchase directly from there. If you're in the Indiana or Indianapolis area and want us to service your vehicle, feel free to give us a call. You can reach us at 317-445-8295. Thank you.